is Kippenhan. I teach 4th grade at Hoover School. I have been teaching for 22 years, and don't tell Mr. Schmelzer this, but I've only taught 3rd and 4th grade my whole career. I really like teaching math. I like math, and I do like science. I like doing the science experiments. I like the interactions with the kids. I like the Legos that they do. It's a lot of fun. I enjoy spending time with my family. My daughter just got married, so I spend a lot of time with her. We like shopping. I love feeding my deer in my yard. I have a little zoo going on, and I feed all my little animals. And I like gardening. I love being outdoors, and I like gardening, walking beaches, spending time with friends and family.